So I'm gonna wash my car by hand today. My car is very dirty. I have all the necessities to do so. I got my car wash circle soap. Oops, is that the right thing I'm using there? Then I have the wheel cleaner and the leather care. I don't know if I'm going to get to the leather care. I have my brush. I have my cloth. I have everything ready to go. I'm going to spray the car down first. Gotta spray it down. Get some of the excess dust off. So now I'm going to use the brush along with my sooty water to give it a good scrub. So with this, I'm going to spray the tire. Again, getting the excess dust from it. Oops, let me take him over here to the next tire. And then I'm going to start with the brush. If I were in my country, land of my birth, washing my vehicle, the men passing by would say, respect due. That's for sure. I'm actually enjoying this, by the way. What time of morning it is? It's close to 7 o'clock in the morning. Whatever I'm doing, I like to do it early. Get it done, get it out the way. I have a lot of work to do today. So wash my vehicle and keep it moving. The hardest part of the vehicle to clean is this part right here. The tire. Oops, I got that wrong. I always get it wrong. The rim. My husband always says, it is not the tire, it's the rim. All right, so the rim. The rim is the hardest part to clean. It's so, I don't know, something. Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna give it my best shot. I have the right tool. So, some girl power right here. Some girl power wash. All right. Let me straighten up. Old girl can't bend for so long anymore. Oh, that's funny, but not funny. Okay, rinsing the car off. There's a dude across the street watching me, I'm not sure why. He may be impressed with my abilities. Time to wash her off. He can't take his eyes off of me, people. I wish I could show him to you. But I don't want to expose him. Alrighty. This is clean. Looks clean. Looks clean, right? Yeah. Very clean. Alrighty then. Alright. I'm going to leave it in the dark and go finish washing it down. I'm going to start drying it. I don't think I'm going to wash it today. I'm not in the mood. I'm busy. I have things to do. Okay, so it's time to dry off. Wait a minute, hold on. Let's see. My husband told me to do something like that to dry off, not this that I always do. He tells me something about some pebbles and what? I don't know, man. Alrighty. So that's all she wrote. I'm drying off and I'm heading out. Hope you enjoyed the clip. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, like again. Take good care.